So I've just come through the gate. That's where we just walked up there, and that's into the campsite. So I've not been down this bit. Lou's gone. Just let her wait as I climb down these. Wishing it easy in Crocs. Rosie, come here. Old wall and that. Come here. That was eaten into the wall and that over the years, and how deep it must have been. And up there is that house behind our tent. Look at that. We'll go here. This goes into that house. Not in there. Let's shut it all off. Bit of a viaduct there, Dad. You see it there, through the tree. Go on, Rosie. Look at that, big drop. Just incredible. Absolutely incredible. And then it goes down there, and I can't even see the bottom of that. But it goes down there. Mental. Anyway, see you in a bit if I survive this adventure. Bye.